Good day to you and how you be, everybody. And I go here. Welcome to Duotone. Oh man, beautiful Tuesday morning, foggy, drizzling. Right now, heading to the shop and let's go burn those two screens, man. Two-tone on a 110. Let's do this. Did I leave the music on the shop? Why the lights are on? Uh-oh. Whoa! Bate? Whoa! What up, Taino? Yo, how you got in here?
No, I just got into the back, man. You know how I do. I got some shirts there. I need you to print me that Freddie Jason t-shirt, man. Let's get to work, homie.
All right, we back to Photoshop. On the last video, we separated the black and the white halftones. We have them. Now, after we place both images back, now we're gonna place your registration mark. Make sure that your registration mark is always like a PNG file, you know, where there's no white background. Automatically, you would be able to place it. And I already just came placed, and there it is. That's what you're looking for. That's the registration mark. Now I'll come and I'll print that one, and then I'll print that one. But here's a little other thing that I learned. When it comes to the white ink, we're gonna click on the white, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a little zoom in a little. We're gonna take the magic wand, and what you wanna do is try to get some of that black. And once you got it, you're gonna come press the black and you're gonna go similar. Now you highlighted all the black, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna modify it and expand it just a little so there won't be no gaps when that black falls right on that white. There's no gap of whatever color the shirt is coming out in the little corners. So that makes the dots really connect together, especially the black on top of the white. You won't even notice it, man. So if you go to select, modify, expand. You could do 2 pixels, you could do 1. I'm gonna go with 2 pixels. Some people do 1. I just wanna make sure. If you have a RIP software, 1. No RIP software. So I'm gonna do 2 just to make it a little bigger. And then, okay. Then once it's already expand, I'm gonna come and copy. There goes the black, and there goes the white. It's gonna go right under. If I wanna come and take this one, put it over, there it is. Looks pretty good. So right now, let me take it, let me print the films, and talk about the timer for the exposure. Let's do this. All right, there goes the white ink and the black ink. So let me prep, but before that, let me tell you about today's sponsor. Let me talk about today's sponsor, Printavo. Printavo is a simple shop management software. You could organize your shop and grow sales with Printavo, a software that will help you streamline your coding, your approvals, purchasing, automation, and much more, man. The good news is that today, if you go to Printavo.com and use the promo code TAINO in capital letters, you're gonna get 50% off the first month, man. That's a great deal, man. So go check out Printavo. Let me tell you, I've been using it for a long time. Love it. I have a lot of people always DM me and asking me, is it worth it? And then they come back, hey, thank you so much, because dealing with emails is crazy already enough. By using Printavo, that's gonna take a good chunk of that time, so you could be productive in other things. So go to Printavo.com, use the promo code TAINO, and I want to thank Printavo for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get these screens ready. All right, here it is. Check it out. This was the first one. I just flashed, but I didn't pass no second coat on it. This one I did. This one, the white, I flashed and passed the second coat. You see that you could see more of the white here. Not that much, but you could just flash and pass it again. And for the black, what I used was the ink that I have a video of how to mix all your dark colors and convert them into blacks for halftones and all that. That black is perfect because it's not too black, and it gives you that nice look. Right here, the way it looks, this job came out beautiful, man. For a 110 mesh, halftones, you don't have to worry about blowing up the stencil. Easy, it will hold down very well, and I'll suggest that you start with the 110 so you can understand and line them up, and then move up to 230, but 110, those are awesome, man. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take on the right. Peace out. Oh, I almost forgot, man. When I took the films of a 110 for a 110 mesh, when it's time to expose, it's the same time. Put it for about 18 to 20 seconds using the Screen Print Direct Blue HV emulsion, and you got an LED light. It's about 18 to 20 seconds. Wash it off, and let me tell you, it's awesome, man. With that 110, you ain't gonna go wrong, man. And the other thing, what was the other thing I forgot? Oh, man. Oh, part 1 of the video I'm gonna have in the description down below so you can know the numbers when it comes to Photoshop, how to do the frequency and angle. Check it out, man. So you can at least, this is part 2, so I think I didn't mention that at the beginning. And the shirt that I was using was a 50-50 blend. So if you use 100% cotton, the opacity of this work will even look much better. So the shirt was a 50, use 100% cotton and it'll look good, but I would suggest you could flash, and if you want to flash the black, and we're good, man. So right now, let me get out of here.